Where does the number e come from? Let's find out. So in 1683, Jacob Bernoulli introduced this constant through the idea of compound interest. So say that there's this bank that gives you 100% interest by the end of 1 year. So say that you put in $1 in there. By the end of 1 year, that $1 becomes $2. And this is what the calculation looks like. Now there's a lot of ones here, so let's explain what these mean. This one represents the $1. This one means that the price is at least staying the same. We're going to increase from that. This one represents the 100%. 100% is equivalent to 1. And this one in the exponent means that it's compounded 1 time. Now let's say another bank comes in and says, we can do better than that. We will give you 100% interest compounded twice a year. Meaning at the end of 6 months, we will give you 50% interest. And 6 months after that, we will give you another 50% interest on top of that. So this 1/2 represents 50%. And this 2 in the exponent means that we are compounding twice, as we see over here. So after 1 year, your $1 becomes $2.25. Now, if a bank has 100% interest compounded quarterly, well, 100% divided by 4 is 25%. So at the end of every quarter, whatever's in your bank account will increase by 25%. So this is what it would look like after 1 year. So your $1 at the end of 1 year will become around $2.44. And this is what it looks like with 100% interest compounded monthly. Now, there's a limit to what this can be. Notice that we have the same structure over here every single time, but it's the numbers in these two positions that change. And we can also notice that the more times we compound, even if it's with a smaller value, we're going to yield larger results. So let's make these numbers as big as possible. And we could represent it as this, the limit as n goes to infinity of this expression. Now each time frame is going to be so small, and we're going to compound so many times that we say that we are compounding continuously. So we define e as this limit, which is around 2.718. So I think it's really cool that even though e comes from the idea of compound interest, it appears in other places as well. One of my favorite mathematical constants is 1 over e, which appears in derangements. If you don't know what derangements are, I highly recommend looking them up.